In Gaza, a new crisis is unfolding, one that threatens to spark a deadly outbreak across the already devastated enclave. The collapse of Gaza's sewage infrastructure has caused untreated wastewater to flood residential areas, spreading rapidly through streets, camps, and makeshift shelters. A United Nations delegation visiting the Sheikh Radwan area described the situation as catastrophic, warning that tent settlements housing hundreds of displaced people could be swept away if the wastewater continues to rise. The stench of decay fills the air, and pools of contaminated water have become breeding grounds for disease. Local authorities say they are powerless to contain the crisis. Israel's attacks have destroyed nearly 90% of Gaza's civilian infrastructure, including water treatment plants and drainage lines. The municipal office in Gaza warns that without immediate international intervention, the situation could spiral into a full-scale public health disaster. A displaced elderly couple living beside the wastewater told reporters they have nowhere else to go. They suffer from heart conditions but remain trapped, surrounded by sewage and disease, waiting for help that may never come. Humanitarian organizations say Israeli restrictions continue to block the entry of essential supplies and equipment needed to rebuild the sewage system and provide shelter. Officials accuse Israel of violating the humanitarian protocol of the recent ceasefire agreement brokered under the U.S.-backed peace plan. As the UN calls for urgent action, experts warn that the collapse of Gaza's sanitation network could trigger epidemics that would claim thousands of lives. For the people of Gaza, survival now depends not only on ending the violence, but on restoring the most basic human necessity, clean water and a safe environment.
يشتغل عندنا هذه كلها البعوضة. البعوضة مش لاقي لها حل.
المي اللي فراشنا وحالنا والله بايخة غدنا في النهار والليلة. رايح نقول احنا عايشين.